Do you know hacker can steal your computer login credentials by opening a fake or malicious PDF file? Yes, this is very true, and I'm going to show you how hackers use this technique to steal login credentials. And also, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can play safe or how you can keep your computer logins safe from this type of attack. Let me show you how it looks like. Now, here's what happened. I'm going to create a malicious PDF file that we're going to send to the victim. And once the victim opens or click this PDF file, we're going to steal the login credential of this particular user. So watch me as I'm creating the file. Now I've created the file. Double check. Okay, this is the file. Now this is what we're going to send to the victim. And once the victim opens it, we're going to capture the credentials. Just watch. So as you can see on my screen now, I've moved the file to my computer. This is my computer, this is level. And I've renamed the file as resume. So as you can see, it looks like the normal PDF file. Now, once I click on this, we're going to steal the credentials of this computer. And before I do that, let me show you what I'm going to do that from my attacking system. So as you can see on my attacking system, I'm going to set up something like I'll call it SMB server. So this is where we're going to capture the credentials. So what I'm going to do is now is that I'm going to start this server here. As you can see, it's been started already. Now, the only thing we need to do now is we're going to wait for our victim to click on this resume and open it. And from there, you can see how I'm going to capture the credentials. Now, this is the victim's system. This the resume. Once I click on this right now, it's just going to open as normal PDF file. Now, nothing too serious. You see, it's empty, nothing is shown here. But let's switch back to the attacking system that I'm using. There you can see what it looks like from there. When I click on the link, this is what happened. And you're seeing like numbers, digits, alphabet, and all that. This is the password is stored in hash. We call this ATLM hash. Well, what I'm going to do now to actually get the plain text password, I'm going to copy all this and put it on the test file. That is all I need. So once I copy it, we'll copy like this, and I'm going to print the file. So this is the password I copied. So now the next thing is to add this password as, so you can see it in the plain text. I'm going to use a tool called John. So this is what we're going to use to add the password, and this will go to give us the actual password of this computer. Now you see, there's the password I set for the computer for this test, and you can see this is my name here. So from here, you can actually log into the system remotely anywhere with it. So guys, as you can see, this is how hackers can use this technique to steal your computer credentials. So what you can do is just don't download any file you don't know the source. Always verify source before opening any kind of document, and if you're not expecting a document from anywhere, do not open, just delete it from your system. Don't open any kind of malicious document, because this or let me say hackers use this technique through most of the time through email, they say, or through text. They can even send you a file through a test. So just a quick tip on that: never open a malicious file and file that you don't know the source, the origin. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.